Hi and welcome to Alert Gadget. In this brief video I'm going to show you what an Alert Gadget is and how this works with Google Desktop. Before I go on, I just want to make it clear that Alert Gadgets work with multiple platforms, not just with Google Desktop. They also work with Yahoo Widgets, iGoogle, Facebook, MySpace and various other applications, as well as multiple news aggregators. As an Alert Gadget publisher, what this means is that once you start publishing your information through Alert Gadgets, it means that your information then becomes available to all the users of Yahoo Widgets, Google Desktop, etc., etc. So it really does open up the availability of your information to millions and millions of potential users and readers. Now, if you're new to Alert Gadget and all this sounds a little bit daunting, don't let it be, because we've done everything for you. By simply creating a free publisher account, you can create alerts and have them delivered to all these multiple platforms. And as long as you can use a keyboard, just like you would type an email, you can create alerts and have these posted on the internet via alerts and get them delivered to multiple gadget and widget platforms. Right, this video is to show you how we work with Google Desktop. So I'm going to start by showing you Google Desktop actually working on my computer right now. Just by simply clicking a button, I'm going to make Google Desktop appear on the right hand side of my computer screen. Now it has multiple options, so if you want to, you can set it so that it appears every time you move your cursor to the right hand side or the left hand side of the screen, so you've got multiple options. Just slightly out of the screen, I just need to undock this from the from Google Desktop on the right there. Here is a typical gadget, and through this, publishers alerts are delivered to the end user. Now it depends on what alerts the end user has subscribed to. If the person has subscribed to your alerts, then they will appear in a gadget just like this. I'm clicking on Alert Gadget, which then gives me a list of headlines. Now each individual headline that you see here, from fretboard to, we've got some trading results, we've got Google update, that's actually one of our admin updates. We've got 4-tier annihilation, something different. All these are different alerts created by different publishers, which I just happen to have chosen to subscribe to. Each one of these headlines, if I click on it, will give me a pop-out screen which gives me a very brief description. If I want to then go and read more about it and see the actual article, I just click on full story and it'll open a web page. Now all alerts are actually published on the internet, so they're available to search engines, etc. That's a typical alert for some trading results. I'm going to show you another one here. This is to do with weight loss and fad diet hot tips. I click on full story, it takes me to the Alert Gadget page, the alert page. On there, as you can see, this is monetized with Google Kontera, not Google Kontera, but Kontera. I think at the bottom here we've got some AdBright ads. So these are all monetizable by the publisher, so you get a return on that. But you can also populate the alert with your own links to your own site, to your own products, etc., etc. I'm just going to close this one down now. I'm just going to put that back onto my Google Desktop. And we've also got here, I'm just going to pop this one out. This is to do with YouTube. So in this YouTube gadget, we've got multiple options for the user if they've subscribed to this. We've got today's top rated videos, recently added videos, etc., etc. So the user can download this Alert Gadget and access various different videos from YouTube. They can also, I'm just going to close this down. And just show you a couple of other gadgets that are available. Here we have like Google News, we have clocks, I've only just got a few of the general sort of gadgets, but this is why Google Desktop is so popular, because there's multiple different gadgets available. Now once you've created your gadget through Alert Gadget, this then becomes available from within our library, which I'm just going to now. There's multiple options for the users, multiple subjects. I'm looking here now. I'm going to health. We've got 5 different gadgets available from our publishers. I click on Pathway to Happiness. They can simply add any of these gadgets straight to their Alert Gadget by simply clicking on a link, logging in with their account details, and instantly they can access your information. I'm now going to go and show you Google Desktop homepage. From here, the users download Google Desktop itself. Google Desktop allows you to search information on your computer, and also if you do a search on Google itself, if it finds any relating documents and files on your computer, it'll actually highlight these to the user. So you're not just searching Google, you're searching your own computer, so you might have some relevant documents of interest. From within Google Desktop, there is a library of gadgets. Now I'm going to click on here, and this is all within Google Desktop itself, on the Google itself. I'm on the home page now of their actual directory of gadgets, and as you can see, I'm just going to show you 1 or 2 gadgets here that we've already got listed. Al Jazeera News, that's one of ours. If I scroll down a little bit more, we've got Times Online here, that's one of ours. If I scroll down, that looks like that's the only 2 we've got on the home page right now. If I do a different search by name, right at the top is the YouTube gadget, which I showed you earlier on. I'm just going to use that as an example and show you what users then do to add that to their desktop. Just before I go on, I just want to highlight the fact that we have a service that once you've created your gadgets and you've been running gadgets for a period of time and you've been delivering quality information through this, we can get your gadgets then submitted to Google. There's a specific submission process that we do for you. We make the images, etc., for you, and we get these submitted. They then come into this into this directory. Thousands or millions of users access this directory on a weekly basis, and once your gadget is in here, it will get viewed and downloaded thousands of times. Obviously it depends on the popularity of the gadget, but within I think 2 weeks of our first gadget being posted on here, we had something like 7,000 downloads or page views within less than 2 weeks. So it's very popular, and it gives you a very good, cost-effective and easy way of reaching a bigger audience. So once the user's on Google here, and if they want to access the YouTube gadget, for example, they simply click on the page that takes you to the specific download page for that gadget. They then choose to download, so they click download, open the gadget. I'm using this on Firefox, so it's just giving me a separate screen, and within a few seconds it will appear on my desktop. I just need to undock it from Google Desktop because it's slightly out of your screen, and here it is. That's the same old gadget that I was showing you 5 minutes ago, which is I've just downloaded from Google Desktop. So there you go. I hope that's helped you to understand a little about Alert Gadget and how it works with Google Desktop. Now remember that it does work with other platforms, and there are other videos available to show you how that works. But by simply creating an Alert Gadget publisher account, you can be delivering alerts to potentially thousands and millions of users. I look forward to speaking to you again. Thank you.